Hello everyone. In the previous videos, we have talked about how can we create an account in the Google AdMob and how can we get some application ID and unit ID. Now, the next step is how to activate an account in the Firebase. Firebase is a mobile platform that helps you quickly develop high-quality apps, browse and engage user base, and earn more money. In the Firebase will be the intermediate level between your Android app and the Google AdMob because this Firebase has a lot of libraries, and one of those libraries is used to make an intermediate level between your Android application and your Google AdMob. So how can we activate an account in the Firebase? It is very simple. The first step, you should already logged using your Google account like Gmail, for example. Then go to the firebase.google.com and click on Go to Console. Very, very simple. Just that. In this case, you have activate your account in the Firebase. Now, how can we connect our Android apps to Firebase and AdMob? So, in the Android Studio, when you go to the Tool menu, okay, you will get something called a Firebase. So select Tools menu, then select Firebase, and you will get a screen like this one here on the right side. And you should select an AdMob, and then you should click on Add a banner advertisement to your app. So it is very simple to connect your Android application to the Firebase. Don't worry, I'm going to talk about the practical space and I'm going to show you all those steps step by step in the next videos, inshallah. So after you select Tools, Firebase, AdMob, and then click on Add Banner, this step will connect your Android application to the Firebase. Then what you should put in your code? You have two things. One, the XML, and one for the Java. In this one, which is the XML, you could use com, Google, Android, GMS, add, and add view. This one is an XML view which is added by the Firebase library, and it is used to show you the banner. You should add ID for this one, then you should select the advertisement size. What I mean of the advertisement size, as you remember in the previous videos, we have talked about three types of advertisements, which is a banner, threshold, which is the full screen, and the third one is the rewarded, which is the video. So here we have selected a banner, and of course we should add the unit ID, which is also have gotten in the previous videos from the Google AdMob. As we have talked previously, when you create any type of advertisement, you will get something called an advertisement unit ID. So this only for the XML. Just give an ID for your ad view, then select the size and add your advertisement unit ID. What about the code? The code may be in Java or Kotlin, it's up to you. So at first, you should define a variable for your ad view. Then you should initialize using the class mobile ads.initialize. So in this case, you should add your app ID, not unit ID. Don't forget, you should use the unit ID here in XML. But in your code, in Java, for example, or in Kotlin, you should use your application ID, which is provided also by the Google AdMob. Then, how can we send some request to the server? There is a class called add_request. The add_request is used to send some request to the server of Google AdMob, so it can provide you by some advertisement. And of course, the last thing, you should display this add_request in your ad view. So those are the steps which is start from Google AdMob, then Firebase, then the Android Studio. In the next videos, I'm going to show you the practical steps one by one. So see you next video.